Hi, I'm Dr. John Flucke. I'm technology editor and chief dental editor at Dental Products Report magazine. And today I want to take a couple of minutes to tell you about a product that I've discovered that will make restoring implants much, much easier for you. The product is called FirstPlug, and it's from a company called 35 Newtons. Now, I love the name of the company because obviously if you restore implants, 35 Newtons means something to you. FirstPlug is a material made out of a chemical called PTFE. It's made in the USA under medical device protocols, and it is a cylindrical shaped material that you place down into the screw channel, and it fills in the head of the screw and then allows you to then place your composite over that for screw retained implants. It goes in so simple, and then the nice thing about it is that you don't have to worry about twisting or rolling or anything getting in your way. It goes right to place. The company also has instruments that are designed to help you with placement and removal should you ever need to take it out. The material is an ideal compression and stiffness, so it not only packs and seals the head of the screw and part of that channel, but it also has enough strength to it that it actually supports the final restoration, so you don't have to worry about that either. Here's the deal. This is what I tell my patients. When I do a screw retained implant, I always tell them, hopefully you and I will grow old together and you will be a patient of mine either until I pass away or you pass away. But if something should happen and you should end up in another doctor's office and you have some kind of problem with this implant, what we are doing today is we're going to put this medical grade material down inside the hole initially, and that fills in the head of the screw, so that then we're going to put white filling material over that. And if we didn't put this material in first, the white filling is going to go into the head of the screw and make it impossible for anyone to get an instrument in there and actually unscrew this crown should they ever need to. So we're going to put this PTFE material called FirstPlug in first, and we're going to condense that, push that down in there, and then we're going to put our white filling material on top of that. I love this stuff. First time I tried it, I was blown away at how easy it makes restoring screw retained implants. And we're all doing more and more screw retained implants for two reasons. Number one, because they're so predictable, and number two, because should anything ever go wrong, they are easy to take apart and fix. And the best part about all of that is it's much, much easier, quicker, and less stressful to remove a material like FirstPlug. So the material is called FirstPlug. The company is called 35 Newtons. If you are doing screw retained implants, this will make your life so much easier you won't believe it. You've got to check it out. I'm Dr. John Flucke. Thanks for watching.